Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Seung-gi and IU's fortune harmony analysis. I think Seung-gi's popularity is endless. This time, a YouTube subscriber requested about the fortune harmony between Seung-gi and IU. Since their fortunes have been dealt with many times, this time I will analyze only the interesting parts separately, not in detail. Shall we analyze it together? Seung-gi is a sea. IU is a candle. These two letters form a union when they meet. It's a good meeting. A good atmosphere is forming from the beginning. I have mentioned several times that Seung-gi's fortune is good for the flow of energy. It's a good flow that starts from the bottom right and flows to Seung-gi himself. Green heart means woman. It's a good structure to love a woman and be loved by her. IU has a union and a conflict in her fortune. A green heart means a man, but there's the energy of being nice to him. And there's the energy of collision. I will stop explaining the details in this article. Please refer to another video. So, what's interesting? They are colliding with each other in the previous picture, like the letters marked for each woman and man. Collisions do not necessarily mean destruction, so don't get me wrong. You can think of it as developmental advice or exchanging opinions with each other. As I explained in the previous picture, each of them is in conflict with each other while being nice to their spouse. These are similar points. Therefore, Seung-gi and IU, whether they are related or not, will be a relationship for each other's development rather than obsessing over their spouses. The more interesting part is this picture. In Seung-gi's fortune, on the left, Seung-gi's mother and woman are united. When he gets married, his mother and wife become good friends. But IU is in alliance with her mother-in-law with the same energy as herself. It's a very interesting picture. And IU's mother-in-law's letters are very helpful to her. I omitted the other analysis, but there is an interesting part. So I will analyze the fortune for Seung-gi and IU only like this. But Seung-gi has a lot of energy needed for his fortune, and IU doesn't. I will give them 85%. This analysis is based solely on fortune, so please don't misunderstand. I hope both of them do well and be healthier and happier. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.